If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia 1 UHF channel 57. And this na the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as e dey hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 don turn to Christmas. Sake of say, all of the action tori when they come on smoke inside Nigerian politics arrangement, we go carry and come, drop am, come give you the opportunity to chook mouth inside so that those where the matter concern go take the necessary action. Today, when be new month, the matter go hot well, and we go talk am the way when the thing be. My name na Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual, I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi where I stay concerning politics matter. As in the heart.
Yes, sir. Good morning, our beautiful viewers, and welcome to the month of December, and welcome to the program, that political program where they sunshine out different political informate on top of our country, Nigeria, as it is hot. Make it also be in mind, say, you go open our phone line when that time reach for that to also do it in, for that to contribute on any issue we put down, because relatively the issues that we talk about now, issues that concern everybody. That is we, una, and everybody. Make now also bear that in mind. We get two special guests for the house, and these guests they will join us for the talk we will talk about today on the issue of unemployment, and also talk their own challenge on what they don't face on top of one particular issue, or I will call it whether that big or situation will happen to them on top of unemployment big and all that when that time reach. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi, and this now as the.
Today, we don't go waste time. We go just go straight to the matter when we discuss. I go introduce our topic before I introduce our Ogbonge visitors, them when don't join us today. Everybody knows say unemployment now one major issue when we say we don't carry all the problem when the face us for Nigeria put on top of in head. For several years, plenty people don't talk say people like say government just fold their hand. They don't do anything, and unemployment don't come get 6 packs. Inside Nigeria, they cause plenty issues inside this our obodo. Make we break am now, make everybody understand. The former government of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan been talk say every year say that they create plenty jobs. Some people don't talk say they don't look everywhere. It be like say they don't see the job when they talk say they create. And during the electioneering campaign when happened for this year, for March 20th, the presidential elections, the All Progressives Congress, where we say that then they rule government today, they've been campaigned with one very strong foundation. Say, if they enter inside government, they go tackle unemployment. And one way to use make the thing, they pinch plenty Nigerians now say, those when we say no get work for inside of Nigeria, they go to pay them small money, make them they do okay. Our vice president, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, will not talk and say, the kind muscle when we say APC government want use tackle unemployment, that the one when we say they want use pursue and come out for inside this our obodo Nigeria. And just last weekend, former president Chief Olusegun Obasanjo come and talk say, in the draw in left ear, now in left ear in touch, in left ear, say if government no do something about unemployment, the problem we face today, say the thing, he go reach level when we say fear go begin to catch all of us. He go come be like say na Cameroon, all of us go pack go. We no go reach that level. Now wetin we dey believe. And the reason why we want to discuss this issue today. Two of the Ogbonge visitors will go join us to discuss this issue and talk about the one when we say they affect them as they affect plenty other Nigerian youths. Now Oga Aziz Abubakar and also Precious Iruakazi. Oga Aziz and Oga Precious, una welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you.
The way when una take sit down, I just sit down like people when say, like say una dey vex.
No, you don't obviously dey vex because see Abubakar eye go say
you just frown, you don't smile. On top of As E Dey Hot, we no get respect o. So if you come like say maybe something dey pain you for body, you come dey bone. By the time we start to dey fire you the question, the thing go come out well. So you try smile for camera now because you fine. Make you no come squeeze face like say this thing.
At least Precious they see him smile, don't they give the smile to the viewers? Yes.
Exactly.
Precious.
We get one tradition for here. We dey shake the hand of our people then before we start. So we go like shake una hand first before we start so that this your handshake strong go. Make it no be like say when we start the thing and quarrel.
Going by the kind of training they don't undergo, you don't say yes. The training is very serious and severe.
Exactly.
I don't see your handshake too. It's strong. Oga Abubakar, make I shake you too. Make you no be say whether I leave you behind.
So make we break this issue down now. All of us when they here, make I not say all of us. 3 of us when they here, and Nkubi.
No, don't you ever. It is too early to start raising issue. If you want no Chukwudi, please, I beg you.
Who could be wait now? You never know where they come from.
Don't embarrass me in front of
There are 3 youths and 1 man in our midst now. You won't count yourself join youth.
Who is the man?
You won't count yourself join youth.
I've done the tell Nigerians, you see, it is just too early for one person to dey tackle me on top of waiting. I'm not talking anything, no. After now, some Nigerian go talk say Chukwudi is always on the right path, but right now, me na dey see wetin they do. Chukwudi.
Nkubi, you go school before independence now. Why you can't they do like say you
so
see youth here?
That time say me and the likes of the Zik there, Oga Awolowo, we be mind yourself.
Oga, we make our help you out. For the first time, you be youth.
I be youth now. Hey.
Okay, 4 youths too.
Okay, 4 youths. As in hungry,
Four
say
youths. Thank you very much.
Okay, make we move on now. At some point in our country, we dey get one particular issue when we say they affect us. You get the time when we say armed robbery. Now something when we say it just be like saying a normal thing for inside our Obodo Nigeria. Make I not call the names of some guys who do bad thing that time, but everybody if you remember Lawrence and Nini period and Shino Rambo their time. Armed robbery cause problem. Then we can't get one time we can't be like say we can't get like ethnic militias. People will go look say okay, oh, some kind of people bad guys they inside area that they rob. Say make we can't form vigilante. You remember the things when we say Maso Bakassi boys then do that year and waiting the OPC then tell them do too that time. Now we can't switch, can't enter militancy for Niger Delta. Before it come be like say now the one when we say they rain now na Boko Haram issue. Now people don't identify say the problems when they make young people they restive now because of unemployment. Say if young person get handwork when they do, they see small money, they rest, they chop, you know go they think bad things. And I go like sample on our own opinion as it take concern unemployment for inside Obodo Nigeria. You think say unemployment is something when we say we suppose worry about? It not be issue at all.
To start with, the issue of unemployment not be something we will carry play for Nigeria.
Okay.
All these things where you just mentioned, so the kidnapping, the pipe vandals, and the armed robbery,
Yeah, everything. Yeah.
now symptoms of the problem where we actually they see, where you and I know say the country they face. So if we talk about something like unemployment, where youth no get something to engage themselves with, how they want to take move, how vices no go come visit their mind, and how they no go take embrace this vice. But when somebody get the opportunity to come out for house on a very morning, come back later in the evening, tell me if they tell them say then they fight for injunction, what do you want to go do for junction when you know say you get to report for work tomorrow before 7? So now one issue where government suppose help look critically inside them, we go fit look 1 or 2 things there and go fit check them. Say if government fit at least do something about this. If now one administration say I'm tackling unemployment for these people, make the government them know say them go do them. By the time we go fit the smile they receive ourselves for Nigeria, those ones where they break our shield and screens for inside hold up, no go get any cause to the drum. Those ones where they come boggle our houses when we know they around, even when we dey, no go fit they do all those things. So now matter we be like say you and I for here no supposed carry play. We supposed hold them like say we dey hold our closest enemy.
Oga Precious, I go quickly just relate the answer when he give the one when we say you they talk. Yeah. If you look around, see the way when we say, okay, government, they don't try create jobs for young people or create jobs, make people know to make unemployment not be a major problem for inside this country. In the last, let's just say in the last 16 years, from what you know or from what you don't they see, as a young person when we say, okay, oh, you get people when we say, you know, say they finish from university or they finish from any higher institution of learning, they get work or they don't get work or they find work and everything like that. You go, we go physically say we don't make progress. It just be like say we always they take 1 step forward, 20 million steps backwards.
Well, the way things be now, make I use my own set to do example. For my set, we finish for university now. We did about 8 for class. Now only me and one other person don't manage to get work. Others never get work. You see as the thing be now. Out of
by work now, you mean say
a well-defined work.
Work, better work, no be hustle, better work, no be hustle.
The way I dey talk na even hustle self. Me at least I manage get better work, but if you see the other person when he tell me wetin they collect, free cash me.
But in they see work.
At least in they come up for money, they see some kind coin stake. You get. Also, the thing I don't see over the last couple of years be say when you talk of employment, no be say government don't they, say okay this youth take work done there, all those kind of things. No, we know to they see that kind of thing now. Waiting with they see, we say most youths they hustle for themselves. Youths they hustle for them. See, the way waiting is they, if you know hustle for yourself, work no day. Work no today right now, as in well-defined work no today right now. You go see, if you want to know, you go, if you use our own this thing, take do example. If they say government work day now, you go see, say like 1 million people go apply for very, very few spots.
Okay.
That kind of thing show you, say work no day, work no day this country.
Yeah, no, sincerely, the issue of unemployment, now general syndrome, and not be only Nigeria they affect.
Yeah.
You understand? But then, if we look advanced countries and look some other countries, the way they define their own, the way they take at least channel resources to ensure that at least, no matter how small their people they, or no matter how much their population they, at least they will ensure say at least one person gets something way they do. But that still does not take away the fact say work. Some of them no get work. But make we bring on that here. We know say our government on their own part no go fit do it, no go fit provide solution to the issue of employment. Because if you give the whole job to them, the job like say, okay, now make job like make it say government, may not they create job, make use, can't they do it, can't they work. Don't know. But then the issue of investment, foreign investors to come in, so at least to create a job good day. The issue of say, okay, maybe they also empower youths. You understand? To also say, okay, make we define youth, make we also empower them. So that they, if they get some good things for head, they will do it in expand on and so that they will know, say yes, so they don't create ideas where people will also benefit from. Okay, but youth, for now onset, how much of that stir up reaction, how much of that move now don't make? Because it just like say, some youth these days, if they don't see job, they just go sit down, fold hand. They wait till their mama or their papa or their brother will come carry spoon. They feed them. Waiting with those attempts where they don't make to also say, okay, even if I no see you, make I they talk or make I they hustle, make I they create ideas based on the ones what I get. Because there's still, everything still boils down on youth.
Yeah, Ogan Kubi, the thing why I don't see, we say, many youth get waiting on what they call entitlement mentality. But it still get youth, where as you rightly talk, where they hustle. Not everybody want me they come carry a come put inside for their mouth. You understand? Many of us want, as in, we want to do something, but the thing we say, the enabling environment, no today. Okay, if as a youth now, you talk say, you won't get investment, you won't probably get loan to set up business. You go see say, before bank go tell you, yeah, bring collateral, bring equity contribution, bring this one. Before you go don't meet up all those things, before you don't pay interest for those things, business don't fold. That one and one. On that thing, we say the environment also not too enabling for business. The business environment they very harsh, especially for very young people. We know to get money to support the business. For example, I get one of my friend now. The guy start one small business like that. When they do design, they do some kind of thing. If this boy tell you how much way they spend on top internet, no be here. No be here. And most of the things they based on internet. So the amount where they spend for internet, the amount where they spend for house rent, the amount where they spend to even hire people to work for them, no be here. Also, so many things no they encourage you at all. If you go now as you say you want to do something, maybe you want to execute one contract, they look down on you, say who be this one? Where you come from? Who your papa be? You understand? All those kind of things now the things where they discourage youth. You get the environment no just they very enabling. If the environment where they support idea, where we say if you bring idea, just like for Igbo land, you go see say most of these young billionaires where we get, now tech billionaires them be. People like Zuckerberg, you know, people who do Snapchat, people who do all those things. But for Nigeria, if you bring all those kind of idea, you go see say some kind of people go try kill them.
Very true. Oga Precious and Oga Aziz, we don't discuss unemployment. The four of us talk about this issue based on say, okay, as young people, when we say it they affect, and we get friends also when we young people, when we say this particular issue they affect, we want make the government address this particular issue. And we dey very, very certain, say no responsible, I must emphasize, no responsible government go fold their hands. They look as unemployment, they cause problem for the society, and people they get issue. Now why various governments don't try to say they create employment, no be just say government they create, like you take talk, enabling environment so that investors go fit invest and employment opportunities go there. Make we can narrow this thing down, bring them down to government. Now, the last dispensation of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, according to certain statistics when we see, when we say nobody fit corroborate or confirm, I go speak English because na strong thing. You don't mention, say, young people go their house, they no get work, they no get anything. You give example of people when we say, they your class, when you finish with out of 8 persons, na only 2 don get gainful employment. 2 over 8 na very very shocking and alarming figure. And if government come dey talk say they don create jobs, when we say sometimes they talk say they run into millions of millions. No be say I talk say they lie, but somehow e be like say no be true. Make we come go back to one particular recruitment scheme wey happen for inside obodo Nigeria, when we say somehow use and give example, but me will break am down. Now we been talk say we need to get people wey go qualify to work for inside government work based on say some people don retire and we need more people wey be say dey competent and dey qualified. We come talk say we dey call out people make dem come in. Millions of Nigerians come show face for that particular exercise, the immigration exercise. Plenty people buy for this thing. Plenty people injure. Government come look say, okay, this particular one, when we say the interior minister that time under Abba Moro, they conduct say the thing they somehow say make they comot am. Now for March of this year, they come talk say they wan do another one. Say this time around, they go arrange the thing well when we say people when we say they qualified go enter, go do the thing well. We can't recruit people finish. I use we because government belong to all of us.
Yes,
we can't recruit people finish. Can't talk say, okay, these people when they qualified, after they don't go through series of tests and everything, say they don't they qualified enough, they will go through training. But May 29, new government can't enter. Later we can't hear say the Oga Patapata when they there, they talk say making just work don't finish, making they go. Then information can't come out again. Can't talk say the whole process. Say government don't place them on suspension. Now, some people they talk say between 1,600 and 2,000 Nigerian youths when we say this exercise carry come inside when they qualify, when they undergo training, that time when government suspend, say right about now they no get anything when we say then they do. We go break them down now. Allow people when they for house to understand because Oga Aziz and Oga Precious will be part of these thousands of Nigerian youths when we say get this opportunity to serve the country because they qualified, but it can't be like say at the end of the day, government come to say make them look the matter where make it not be like say monkey and they inside the arrangement. We go like make una just una go share between una self small. Just give us every information when Nigerians need to know about wetin result in the whole exercise in the first place, how una take enter, how the whole training take go, and the news of the suspension.
Okay. Make I give you breakdown, make I give you timeline as the thing take happen. You get? Now, after that March 14, 2014, I be March 15, 2014 exercise we they do last year, we be say many people die, very sad event across the country. Now in the former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan talk say make them do another one because that one the thing don't cancel because of the kind things will happen. So after that particular one, February 9 this year, now they can't do, they can't put advert for newspaper, for internet, for so many places. Then many people like us, we see we apply. So when we go apply, around that kind March 22nd, 9 the thing end. Then for April 4th till April 8th, 9 we write the test for various centers, and a computer-based test, and a Dragnet, 9 do. And we know say Dragnet, 9 they do so many tests. They're competent. So, and even the way they take do, make I give you statistics, 1,170,000 people apply for this job. Then the people with Dragnet talk say complete the form very well, about 625,000. Then after that, they can use their own method, select about 45,000 people. We write the test based on various things, maybe in a random selection, maybe na based on qualification. Anyhow way they do it. Me, I know too sabi, but waiting I know be say, then use the method, come out so many people. So this thing where they do now, it can't make them, you can't say so many qualified people one day. This one now no be say I sabi person.
The whole exercise is credible.
You understand? This one no be external influence again. Okay, after that time, then when people can write the test finish, the test now, as GMAT they be now, that thing they strong go. Now there I take no say book, book now like rock.
Easy.
Easy, book no easy. So after that time, the people will pass, they can't call them for interview for their various state command. So that one hold between May 5th to May 7th. For that one, they go measure your height, they go check whether you tall reach. For the guys, you must stop past 1.7 meters, you know. Then they check your chest, whether it dey all right. They check your leg, whether you get flat foot or whether you don't get fracture before. Then they check your medical record. Then they come do interview. The kind of question where they ask me for there, I swear, I think say those people don't like my face, so they ask me some kind of question where be say, I got think where.
So all these things where you just talk now, this one just confirm, say, for you now, when you know, say, you no get anybody when call, say, that boy na my pikin, mo na put on there, you believe, say, the whole exercise, they very, very credible.
Very,
They open.
Very, very
That's so the
open.
thing go.
Very, very, very. If you see the kind of people wey do the interview, the controller of immigration for the state must dey there. A rep or the commandant of NSCDC, fire service, SSS,
Oga Precious,
which
you
you
go
go
hold that
do
one.
just,
Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we go continue this our discussion. You don't already confirm, say the thing they credible.
Yes.
We'll come look into everything when happen inside. We can't be like, say, monkey and enter inside the arrangement. No go anywhere now, still acid hot on top of Wazobia one. Will they come back?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.